Assalamualaikum friends. We are not surprised if we hear about the latest invention of China. This is because China is a developed country. Now has the latest technology. Another invention has come in light today. The Chinese company has developed the world's cheapest car, which costs only $930 and can be ordered at home, after which it can be delivered to your address. This car name is Changli and is manufactured by the Changzhou car industry. People around the world are turning to electric cars. At the moment, there is a lot of talk about the Changli car, which is being discussed online. And this company also satisfies their customers and gives all the answers of their customers' questions. It costs about 1.5 lakh in Pakistani rupees. While with powerful and large lights, it costs about $1,200, which is around 2 lakh in Pakistani rupees. According to the company, it is the world's cheapest electric car. This car no effect on owner's pocket, and its power is little more than a horsepower. But it can travel at the maximum speed of 30 km per hour. But the price also includes other important features inside the car. These features are air conditioners, suspensions, heater, radio, and reverse camera. But the most amazing thing is that you order online and the car will be delivered to your home. For this, go to the company's website and order online. While this same car is now offered for sale on the Alibaba.com website. It seems that this car will also be available on Amazon in future. The car is 2.5 meter long, 1.5 meter wide, and 1.8 meter high. You can travel 40 to 100 kilometers on a single charge. It can hold 800 to 1012 watt batteries, which can be charged in 7 to 8 hours depending on the situation. The lowest cost version of the car can seat 2 people, while the 3-seater car is priced about $1,500. Blogger Johnson Torchensky, commenting on the latest car, has made a video on it. He says the amount is low and the auto has limited features, but this car has half of the price than the golf course. It cannot climb a slope, while other critics have called it an environmental friendly invention at a very low cost.